Alright, BP with BP's Car Audio back with the Memphis Audio PR1-1000 for testing. I got her hooked up here. The amp on top is a Sony Explode 250 watt. I'm just going to use it to show that the pass-through works still like it should. Alrighty, well, let's get the power hooked up and get the head unit turned on and let the testing. Alrighty, we've got the RCAs hooked up, and we've got the power hooked up. Let's kick it on. Alrighty. Looks like she's on here. Our little fan is running in there. Let's give it some audio. Alrighty, sounds like it works. Now we're going to hook up our pass-throughs to the other amplifier. And it's just hooked to a couple of these here bargain find Goodwill satellite speakers, just for testing purposes, of course. Alrighty. To show that the pass-through works, we will first hook up, let's see here, is the remote hooked up? Oh, the remote's not hooked up. Okay, here's the remote wire. There's the power wire. Okay, amplifier is active. Left. Oops. What happened? Houston, we have a problem. Our amplifier turned off. Maybe our power situation. Yep, that's where it is. The ground came off. Okay. There we go. Now we've got left channel. And then we've got right channel. Well, we had right channel. Oh, there we go. Audio there. Audio there. Okay. Now, to prove a point that this grounding situation worked just fine for us. Okay. It's right channel only, which isn't very loud, of course. There we go. Okay, right channel. Bass still playing. Left back on. Right off. Audio playing. Okay. So everything looks good here. Pass-through works. Input with the signal and all that works just fine. Okay. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to test power on this because I did not bring the proper amp meter. So with that said, the customer, all they wanted was this jack fixed. So, we have fixed that jack, and it works just fine. So therefore, we're going to call this one a success. And I hope that everybody watching this has enjoyed this video series of the Memphis Power Reference 1.1000. And I think the customer will be very happy with the result. Remember to like if you like the video. If you don't like it, don't like it. If you're not subscribed, please get subscribed. If you are subscribed, check the little bell icon next to the subscribe button. That way you receive updates. Anyway, everybody have a good day.